I'm Richard Jameson. I'm the General Manager for Dedicated Outdoor Air Products. We offer a wide variety of technologies in our equipment, including energy recovery. And today, we're going to talk about an exciting option to what's more commonly known with the energy wheel. We're going to talk about cores. Enthalpy cores, while less efficient than a wheel, have some really great added benefits over a wheel. First of all, they have very low cross-contamination. They also have extremely low leakage, also known as exhaust air transfer ratio. In addition to that low leakage, they don't have any moving parts, which is really a great benefit for maintenance reasons. They also are antibacterial. These benefits are valuable in buildings that have no on-site maintenance or very limited on-site maintenance due to the no moving parts and no points of failure. We offer two different choices when it comes to Enthalpy cores, a fiber or a polymer material, and those two choices give you flexibility to bounce between performance and cost benefits. So I'm going to start by talking about the fiber core. This is your lowest cost option. It meets ASHRAE 90.1 by being greater than 50% effective and can go up to 60%. Still has low maintenance requirements with the no moving parts, and when you need to clean it, it's easily just vacuumed on the front surface. This is available up to 6,500 CFM. The polymer core retains all the benefits of the fiber material and has a few added ones. It's more efficient, all the way up to 65%, which is getting closer to a wheel's performance. It's also water washable. We put a drain pan underneath the heat exchanger in the unit, and it can be washed right in place. Lastly, this is available in larger capacities, all the way up to 15,000 CFM. Our goal is to give you choices. While the energy wheel offers the most efficient operation, Enthalpy cores can get very close with added benefits of no moving parts and low cross-contamination. No matter which option you prefer, we hope you choose us for your next project.